And what I really do hope to be becoming perfectly clear to you is the importance of being able to build this knowledge by extracting data from your files. For DIY R Us, they've already shown an improved performance, and how do you think you might be able to improve the performance of your organization by being able to quickly and effectively retrieve information? During this section, we've looked at regular expressions, and we've seen how we can write these regular expressions to help extract the data to build our knowledge. We've used things like anchors, so the dollar symbol representing the end of the line, and the caret symbol representing the beginning of the line. And for the line, that could also be a standalone string that we're searching. We've looked at some of our boundary characters, so the word boundary, which can include things like the hyphen, and we're looking at white space, including things like the tab and the space characters. Then we've looked at our quantifiers, and this is where we start thinking this is just reading a Batman comic or something like this. But we've seen that we can use things like the brace brackets and put an absolute number in there. We could use something like the question mark, where we're really making the previous character optional. But if we are having a character, we can only have one of them. Whereas if we go through and look at something like the star, we're still making the previous character optional. However, we can have any amount of those characters within a consecutive string. And then the plus, and that's saying where we can have one or more of the previous characters. So we've seen how we can use these quantifiers to enhance our regular expressions. We ended up this module by looking at implementing validation of HR records, and using then the skills that we've built up, we were able to help then build this application to search our HR records for social security numbers. Next up, we're going to make our start on our journey with SED, the stream editor, so please join me for this module.